Welcome back to another tutorial. So this is a real tutorial. I'm not I'm making a fraudulent video like other YouTubers on how to make a WhatsApp channel. So these are new ways that WhatsApp have launched this new update called WhatsApp channels, where you can open multiple WhatsApp channels. You can see there's multiple options. You can search them, click on finding channels. So this is the latest feature by WhatsApp. You would only probably see this option in your updates if you're using an Android, and if you're using an iPhone, you can see it in on the left or lower corner. So this is a really new update. So for example, if we open up any new WhatsApp channel, for example, if you open WhatsApp channel and we agree and continue, we can see that WhatsApp's update and everything that is related to WhatsApp. So this is the latest feature, and today I will teach you how you can make your channel on WhatsApp. But for that, you have to understand a few things, and those things are really important, and I will tell you those things in the end. So first of all, let's get into the video on how you can make your WhatsApp channel, and then I will surprise you. Let's go. So first, we are on the screen now. So what you have to do is, you can see there's an update option. Click on that update option, and once you click that, you can see multiple channels in here. Just click on the plus option in here. So once you click on click option, you will see multiple readings, like why you want to create a channel. Click on continue, and in here you want to add a picture of your channel as well, if you want to give a picture of it. And write in here the channel name, whatever it could be, in my case tag schooling, and write a description to it. So that's all you need, and then create a channel. So now you have to understand that making channel, like you have seen the process on how you can make a WhatsApp channel, but there are three prerequisite, like three main things you should do before doing that. The first thing, you should know that the WhatsApp channel is only going to be made in WhatsApp business account. It's not going to be made in this regular WhatsApp account that I have. So this is my regular WhatsApp account. It will not be opened in that. So this is my WhatsApp business. You want to click that. I haven't made it on my Android phone, so it's not available on it. It's on my iPhone that I'm recording with. So this, you have to make sure that you are using a WhatsApp business account for that, and you are using that one. So if you're using a WhatsApp business, that channel is only going to be made through WhatsApp business. The second thing you have to know is you must be verified through WhatsApp, like the verification of Instagram or YouTube, Twitter, like all other verifications. The WhatsApp requires a verification, but this verifications comes at a cost. And that cost is that you should be well-known YouTuber or some kind of celebrity or some kind of articles that are available on, on the other websites, like on Google. So what I mean by that is WhatsApp is providing you this platform and allowing only all those people, those are popular or celebrities. So if you have the tricks to get down to that path, you can get yourself verified by WhatsApp. So this is very easy step. You just have to work on 10 days and ask few websites to just publish articles for you for free. Like just pay them $10, $5, and that's all it's gonna take. And if you find this video really helpful on how you can create a WhatsApp channel on WhatsApp, make sure to like this video, share this video as much as you can, and we will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tags Schooling.